What is goody, everybody? Today we're playing UG VR, and in this video, I'm gonna be trying to color swap my level 30 to 31 Skelemagmon. I actually did fuse the Skelemagmon, but the footage wouldn't download, but then someone traded me and color swapped it. So now I have the level 30.
No, I already have Rogator. No thanks.
Yo, does anybody have Skelemagmon? I'm color swapping. I'm color swapping. Let me see. What level? Oh, that's a good color.
It's only level 5.
Mine's level 31. So I don't
Wait,
know.
what color is yours?
Mine is the second, third one. The third last one. I'm pretty sure.
You want to try Skeleton?
Yo, Kev.
Yeah.
Kev. Yep,
Is anybody else able to color swap me? Anybody able to color swap this?
Okay.
Yep, Chad.
Anybody able to color swap this? Anybody able to color swap this?
Let me see your index, buddy boy.
Yo, just Bob. Can I see your index for a second? Can I see your index real quick? Can you go in here? Can you go into the Skelemagmon?
What?
Skelemag.
What about my Skelemagmon?
Yeah, bro, I got a chat.
Loki, I might wanna trade.
You guys,
color
there's
swap.
any Raptor colors I don't have? I
Okay,
don't
color
have
swap?
bundle, by the way.
Can I color swap you,
Yes.
please? Thank you,
Yes.
bro. Thank you.
I got
You're the best.
Who has any Raptors I don't have?
What Raptors do you not
Is
have?
that Chad? Chad? Okay, let's see.
I do not have these.
Can someone take this off for a second? Please? Can someone take Zach off?
I'm checking if I have that
Anybody
Chad.
have Raptor colors
I
I
already
don't
had
have?
that Chad, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I already have it.
You don't have it? You already have this one? Thank you, bro. You're the GOAT.
Ain't that something? What's up, bro? You guys, who has any Raptors I don't have?
W's.
I have your mother. Yo, I probably have like rappers you don't have, bro.
Look at my butt cheeks.
Damn.
You know what? Sir?
I did have
you know
that
what?
one.
Get back to work, your feet.
I'm not your slave.
That was not enough.
Do you have any Chads?
You know what? All of you, especially you, get back to work.
We got Stug. I'm gonna name this
Especially you.
Dancing is what I do, and if you like me, I will.
I am so sorry if I'm being offensive.
Cool. I will bite you.
This is W Flair.
Yeah, I like that.
Mr. Flair.
Oh, I'm gonna bite you.
Since I've gotten
Who's
this,
gonna bite
now
me?
I'm
Who's
gonna
gonna bite
go
me? Who's gonna bite
and
me? Who said
level
that?
it up. So
Who? Raise your hand.
go
Guys,
level it
look.
up.
You're so big, you're crushing your dino. He's a big man, he's crushing his dino.
You're a Big Mac, and you will never have a six. Who's Raptor is this? Who's Raptor is this? I will eat you for it. Yo, the baboon guy that just joined. Do you have any Raptor colors I don't have?
See if any of the things are here. If they aren't, then I could just go to my private fan code.
I am so
Kind
new.
of.
I am so lonely.
Kind of private, because some people sometimes join the code.
Coconut Bowl Thunder. I don't have any Raptor colors.
Come on. Ooh, let's go.
Turn around.
Yeah. So, guys, comment down your favorite color of the Skelemagmon. Like from number 0 to number 24. to 20, 25, 24. I don't know. It goes from 0 and there's like, yeah. From the Skelemagmon, which one of the colors is your favorite? So from 0 to 23, I guess, because. Oh, yo. Lucky. I'm so lucky, guys. I just got the golden hand. Alright, I'm gonna go into my server now. And our server is me and my friend's server is 36952. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, comment down if you guys like my content. If you like it, then thank you for the support, and you guys should definitely like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for my things, because I'm probably going to be posting daily, so you better be catching up. Alright, now let's go get this thingamajigga. Let's go this way. Chop. Whee! No. Pig sticks! Can't wait for this Skelemagmon to be higher level. I'm gonna get it to level 20. Or actually no, I'll give it to level like 18. Two, 3, 4, 5. All I know is that this hut right here takes 5 hits to break. And I'll actually count the other ones for you guys so that you know. Because I don't know if a lot of people know about how many times you need to hit the thing. So, yeah. Are you guys excited for the water update? I think it's super cool, if I had to be honest. And there's even gonna be there's new saddles, a new saddle type, a new entire. This is one of the biggest updates UG has ever had. Like, this is the biggest update ever. Wait, what's my nose look like those corns with the black parts on it. Okay. First, I'm gonna count. Oh no. And it was saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25 hits for the big cut. Let's see how much is for the medium one. $15 for this one, and we already know 5 for the straw house. Oh, and maybe a lot of people didn't know, but this straw house, these houses are reference to the big bad wolf, the 3 little piggies in the big bad wolf book. All right, guys. Well, If you enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces!